What's going on, guys? It's Greeny here. Welcome back to another video. In today's video, guys, I'm going to show you how I can make thousands of dollars trading Tron meme coins using the processes, the tools that I use, the sites that I'm tracking these meme coins on. If you like my content, please subscribe down below. YouTube tells me that only 23% of you who watch this channel are subscribed. So smash the subscribe button, guys. We're nearly at 10K. Let's get there in the next couple of days. As always, please like the video as well and check out my trading group where we have returned over 1,088x profit over the past 2 months. And I did tweet about this. I showed you the losses that we've had. I showed you the profits that we've had. And if you do want to become a better trader as well, we focus on education in that trading group as well. And obviously, if you'd like to support the YouTube channel further, guys, get early access to these videos, become a YouTube member in the description below. Here's the video. Alrighties, guys, as I said at the start of this video, I'm going to show you how you can make thousands of dollars trading Tron meme coins at the moment. The volume is really good. We're seeing a lot of tokens run either from pump.fun, and so the Tron version of that, which is called Sun Pump Fun, if you want to call it that. But obviously, you can also swing trade, which I did catch a 3x on Suncat the other day from that live stream that I did post a couple videos ago. So there's plenty of opportunities to make out there. Now, obviously, I shared a video yesterday with a bot, guys. That was the Safe Sun Trading Bot. A few people just wanted to clarify how you actually sell, so I will show you that. But guys, I've stumbled across this bot, which is way better. It has settings already in the parameters. You can go in and change all of your different settings and actually trade a lot more effectively than the Sun Safe bot, so the Safe Sun Trading Bot. So I'd highly recommend checking out this NFD Tron Trade Bot. It's more reliable. They have way more monthly users compared to Safe Sun. Safe Sun still works, which I will show you very shortly. I just found NFD to be more reliable, guys. So obviously, if you want to sign up for that, it's in the description below. Use whichever one you prefer. I'm using both, but I probably will start to use NFD more reliably. And alternatively, guys, come to my Twitter page, click my link tree here, and if you do scroll down, Tron Trading Bot there, the NFD one is there, and then obviously the other SunSafe one is down below on my link tree, so you can check them out there. Just before we do dive into how I can make thousands of dollars trading Tron meme coins every single day, I just want to show you, okay, that this SunSafe Trading Bot does allow you to sell, guys, because I did get a few comments, so I'm always here to help you out. But essentially, you just paste the contract in. I bought just 100 TRX of this token, as you can see here. One thing to note that it is a little bit more expensive than Solana, and it is a little bit slower than Solana. So that's why you do need to be aware that when you do go to a new blockchain, it is going to be different. And a classic example of that is when you trade Solana versus Ethereum, okay? Big differences there. And same again with Bitcoin. So new blockchain, new meta, slightly slower, slightly more expensive than Solana. So always be aware of that. But as you can see here, if you /monitor, it'll show you the current trade. So yes, the buy went through on this wallet, okay, on this trading bot. As you can see there, I had my balance of 612. I went /monitor, and there's the trade, guys. You can sell as much as you would like. You can have a P&L card as well. You can check the chart out as well. But as you can see here, I sold 100%. It did take a couple transactions to go through, but it did eventually go through. As you can see, it was quite a large slippage. That's why I do prefer NFD, guys, this one over here, because you can actually set your settings up to modify how much slippage you actually want to be taking in these trades as well. So something to be aware of. But obviously it did go through, as you can see, and I did take a small loss on that trade. So that's how you can actually trade and cut some of those, or buy and sell all of those different tokens using Safe Sun. But today, guys, I just want to show you that NFD is by far probably the superior bot, and that's what I'm going to be using from this point forward. Just a reminder, you can sign up in the description below. And just to show you guys, you can transfer between, okay, so I did withdraw my money, as you can see down here. So withdraw, here it is. Yep, so transaction submitted successfully. So again, you can withdraw from Safe Sun Trading Bot, guys, into your other bot. Okay, so I just withdraw and send it over here. So as you can see, it has funded that account as well. And again, just a few questions also in the comments as well was Tron Scan. Okay, so Tron Scan is where you can go to check the blockchain of Tron transactions to see what's happening on chain in your meme coins that you're looking at, and obviously in your own wallet. So thought I'd touch on that. Now guys, super amazing. Dex Screener has actually dropped Tron blockchain on there as well, so that's fantastic. It's my go-to site over Dex tools, so I'd highly recommend using this. It's just cleaner, guys. So the ways that I'd go about making these thousands of dollars every single day is the same as what I do on Solana, guys. So I'd be looking for high volume plays, I'd be looking for swing trades, I'd be looking for breakouts, and I'll show you a couple of examples. And then obviously if you feel like you're more of a degen, then you could potentially come over to Sun Pump, guys, and be looking to trade these meme coins before they obviously go to their bonding curve. And just a reminder that it does take 1 to 2 hours for the Tron meme coins to go from Sun Pump all the way over to SunSwap or onto Dex Screener or onto Dex Tools, so you can trade them using those bots that I showed you at the start of the video. So just a reminder, if you do want to be trading on Sun Pump, guys, the wallet to be using is tronlink.org, okay? Just add it to your browser, that way it's safe, you know it's the right link. And I have obviously released that in the first tutorial that I showed you on the channel. Now, more about the ways that I would make some money, guys, is firstly, I would be looking for potential fib plays. So this one here, Sun Tom. Now this launched literally, as you can see, this morning, I think it was, yeah. So this has only been out for a couple hours, guys, and it's already up to 2 million. So there's a lot of opportunity there to potentially trade this token. So what I'd be looking for is for it to maybe retest some lower fibs and then swing trade it. And you can get some crazy gains from those lower fibs, guys. And that's what I've been doing for a long time on Solana, and then obviously on Base before that. And so that way, that's how I can make some considerable gains on a swing trade watching the lower fibs. So as you can see here, a move from the 0.786, if we see it back to the 382 is literally nearly a 3x. So that's how I trade those two. The next ones would be going to top plays, guys. So looking for something like Sundog or Suncat, or even those top ones up the top here with the volume, and looking for it to break out. So as you can see, this one was trading for a long time between support and resistance, and then went crazy, guys. Okay, it's up, what's this? It's up about 4x at the moment. And that's, again, another play that you can do every single day. And I use high volume tokens on Dex Screener or obviously Dex Tools to track these, because that's where the liquidity is, that's where the users are, and that's where the traders are to be trading these with higher volume. The last example I wanted to show you is obviously, if you don't want to be a degen, then look for plays like this. So as I just showed you before in those two examples, Suncat, for example, which we did catch on that live video I showed you a couple of days ago where I focused on Solana meme coins, but this was the one Tron meme coin that I did look at. And as you can see, it consolidated for a period of time, okay? You can use the same trading strategies that you use on all other blockchains to maximize your profits here on Tron as well. But it consolidated here. It has now broken out for a crazy gain, guys. Like if you take it from just the breakout, that's about a 4.4x with a height of 5x. So there's plenty of money to be made on Tron at the moment, guys, because there's a lot of volume there. I noticed over the past couple of days that it's actually competing against Pump.Fun for more volume on chain. So that's great to see that users are there, which aligns me more to be more proactive on Tron, because if there isn't liquidity, if there isn't volume, if there's no good sentiment on Tron, then it's probably an easy fade. But what I'm seeing on the timeline is that a lot of people are rejuvenated. They have a bit of interest again to be going on a Tron. It's an established blockchain as well, compared to something like Say, which is obviously new this cycle. So a lot of people have Tron bags. They've had Tron bags for years because Justin Sun's been around for a long time. But obviously my main message, guys, is to always do your due diligence, always be safe, always check the security of a token, okay? Go to that Sun Safe trading scanner. I will drop that in the description below so you can add that to your Telegram as well. Check the token before you buy it at all times, guys. That is a must so that you can make some consistent gains. And then obviously make sure you take aggressive profits and have cut weak positions, so invalidation points where you'd like to take some off the tables. So I hope you that gives you insight into some of the ways that I like to make some money trading Tron meme coins. If you have any questions, please let me know in the description below. I'll be more than happy to help you out. Cheers. So there you have it, guys. There's my tutorial on how you can make thousands of dollars every single day trading Tron meme coins. If you like my content, please subscribe down below. Don't forget to smash the like button as well, because it does go a long way and it helps the channel grow. Also, do check out my trading group in the description below. We've locked in over 1,000x of profits over the past 2.5 months. And I teach you to become a better trader with the education that's in there and the callers that are in there as well, guys. If you'd like to support the channel a little bit further, you can become a YouTube member and get early access to these videos. As always, guys, take care, and I'll see you in the next one.